Ram Nayak. The Election Commission of India (ECI) is taking proactive measures to mitigate heatwave impact during the general election 2024. The ECI also held a meeting with Indian Meteorological Department, National Disaster Management Authority and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Chaired by Chief Election Commissioner of India Rajiv Kumar, the ECI has set up a task force to monitor the heatwave impact during election period.
Phase-wise phase, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, to the extent you can tell us. And then on that basis, we want to facilitate all our voters, advise them that, so it's advisory to the voters, to the political parties, to the all stakeholders, our management of booths, and if it is required, so that is the first part, and second part, all the medical preparation of booths to combat heat if it is going to be different than what it was earlier years.
Meanwhile, in Meghalaya, while some areas brace for scorching